always tracking, always alerting. This is Next Weather.
I'm Dave Warren. We put a next weather alert today for the dry breeze and the very gusty wind. That's a fire danger until 7 o'clock tonight. Now the wind will be diminishing overnight tonight, but it'll get cold again tonight. We will continue to watch for anything that could redevelop again tomorrow. It is just cold and dry out there this evening. There is the picture as we look at downtown Miami. Here's what to expect this evening. That breeze continues right from the northwest. Our temperatures will be dropping pretty quickly into the 50s, but look, it's clear. There's a Starlink satellite train going by. Look at the little dots going in the same line. Look for that in the eastern sky just after 7 o'clock tonight. Good visibility and nice and clear when you step outside this evening. Now, when you step outside tomorrow morning, a cold start, wind chills into the mid-30s, almost the lower 30s in inland Broward County, but it is close to that criteria for a cold weather advisory. That advisory goes right up to 27 and the Sawgrass Expressway. Now, it is around Chrome Avenue, so you may have that cold weather there just briefly with it, wind chills lower 30s just for about an hour or two. Then it quickly warms up with the sunshine tomorrow. Low 40s for a wind chill in Miami-Dade along the coast, and it's still pretty cold in the Keys. That the wind tries to warm up as it goes over the water, but it doesn't have much time in the upper Keys. Wind chills will be in the upper 30s. Next weather radar. All clear and dry. Temperatures which made it into the lower 60s are still there, but they will be dropping quickly over the next few hours. Not windy because that moves overhead. Still a mild day tomorrow, but then here's the change. This will come Wednesday morning. The breeze starts to turn back from the east. It's still cold over the interior Wednesday morning, but near the coast, this is where you get that 10-15 degree temperature difference between the coast and inland areas. And by Wednesday afternoon, the warm weather's back. The high pressure moves out. The breeze comes back from the south to southeast. Warming temperatures up towards the end of the week. We'll watch that front. It'll stay to our north, but there's enough moisture coming in where we start to put some rain in the forecast. We also increase our humidity. This was the criteria for that critical fire weather. That's what we had today. Now tomorrow the wind is variable 5 to 10. Even though humidity is still low, might be a little improvement with it not being as windy. And then the moisture comes back. Humidity comes back with our moisture tracker by the end of the week and the weekend. Winds will diminish later this week, but there's still a small craft advisory in the Atlantic waters and the Keys. Pretty gusty at times. We'll put that wind coming back in from the southeast. Clouds return, a few stray showers return, warm weather returns. Wednesday to Thursday, our temperatures climb back into the 80s, and then we're in the low 80s over the next few days, including Saturday for the Dolphins Cancer Challenge. A bit warm for that, humid, maybe just a stray shower with rain chances right at 20%.